Today, we're tackling a crucial issue many players face: how to fix easy anti-cheat not installed. Stick around because I've got the official fix straight from Epic Games themselves. Let's dive in. Now, if you mistakenly selected no during the Fortnite installation when prompted to install easy anti-cheat, you won't be able to launch the game. To fix this, head to the Epic Games launcher. Find Fortnite in your library. Right-click and select Uninstall. Then, reinstall Fortnite on the same disk to avoid any registry or permission issues. If you installed easy anti-cheat during the initial installation, but Fortnite still claims it's not installed, try the automatic installation. Ensure easy anti-cheat launcher is not running. Launch Fortnite from the Epic Games launcher and follow the prompts to install easy anti-cheat. This should resolve the issue. But if the automatic method doesn't work, we'll go for the manual installation. Navigate to the easy anti-cheat folder by opening the Epic Games launcher. Right-click on Fortnite in your library, then select Manage. And click the folder icon next to the installation path. Close the Epic Games launcher. Make sure to close the launcher properly by clicking the arrow in the system tray. Right-click on the Epic Games launcher and select Exit. Now, open the Fortnite game folder. Go to Binaries. Then Win64. And finally, the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Inside, locate the Easy Anti-Cheat EOS setup file. Right-click, then create a shortcut. And keep it in the same folder. Right-click on the shortcut, then select Properties. And under the Shortcut tab, add a space at the end of the target path. Type in install prod.fn. Click Apply and then OK. Double-click the shortcut. Although you won't see any window or action, Easy Anti-Cheat is installing. If a user account control window appears, click Yes. Now, fire up the Epic Games launcher. Launch Fortnite, and voila! Your easy anti-cheat issue should be fixed. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more game fixing tutorials. Until the next video, stay safe and I'll catch you all later.